Every great assembly starts with a single question, but sometimes finding the answer is the hardest part. In our class, the challenge wasn't just to speak, it was finding the confidence to share who we really are.
Alright team, for class assembly, we will need to show the school who we are. What makes this class special? What's our story?
It's hard, mister. We all come from different cultures and different backgrounds.
Yeah, it's easier to just do something normal. If we stand up there and share our own cultures, what if we mess up?
What the hell, guys? Come on now. It's so easy and rooted in our culture. That should be like riding a bike.
Yeah, why can't we get this right? This is our second nature, but we still mess it up.
I guess we will never be good enough at this. Oh my goodness, we suck!
Yeah, we do. I don't know, we are just not working as a team, and it's those few people that muck it up.
Jesse, it's mainly you. Get your head out of the gutter and work with us, bro.
I don't feel like it!
Sane, stop being stupid, you kid.
Oi, not even. It's Nalo's fault.
Bro, you used to stop fighting because that's not in my way.
Yeah, she's right, you ding-dongs. You have to whanongo and show whaka apa.
Masiti, that's enough. Let's go.
Olei alava ole ngatai fale Etaele lava ile taifana tautai ai lava sauma afe Olei alava ole ngatai fale Etaele lava ile taifana tautai ai lava sauma afe
Oh, we're never gonna get anywhere at this point.
Yeah, we might as well just leave it at this point.
It's honestly annoying because everyone is all over the place.
True that.
Kia ora, room 14. Just wanted to pop in and see how your assembly practice is coming along. How's it going?
Honestly, Mr. Ingham, it's pretty bad. We aren't coming together as a classroom at all. Everyone is just arguing over the music and the space.
Hey look, that's totally normal. Bring it in for a second. Millie, look around the room. You've got amazing coaches and talented people right here. But an assembly isn't a competition between groups. You're one family. Instead of trying to outperform each other, back each other up. When one stands up to dance, the rest of the class needs to be their engine, clapping, chanting, and lifting them up. Work as a team, you'll be elite. And set!
He's right. Let's stop practicing in separate corners.
Yeah, let's do it, all of us together.
Moana, make way, make way. Moana, it's time you knew. The village of Motunui is all you need. The dancers are practicing. They dance to an ancient song. Who needs a new song? This old one's all we need. This tradition is our mission, and Moana, there's so much to do. Don't trip on the terror route, that's all you need. We share everything we make. We joke and we weave our baskets. The fishermen come back from the sea. Don't walk away. Moana, stay on the ground now. Our people will need a chief, and there you are. There comes a day when you're gonna look around and realize happiness is where you are. Consider the coconut, consider its trees, each part of the coconut, that's all we
When you find the
need.
courage to share your identity, amazing things happen. The classroom didn't just change, it came alive with the spirit of outdoor.
Consider the coconuts, the trunks and the leaves. The island gives us what we need. That's right, we stay. We're safe and we're well provided. And when we look to the future, there you are. You'll be okay. In time you'll learn just as I did. You must find happiness right where you are.
Because when we combine our culture, our teamwork, and our pride, we discover the ultimate truth. Working together is not just about teamwork, it is about connection, looking after each other and ourselves.